one prophet don't come outside talk say Davido close friend go poison am. All of us know Davido now we sing Chioma my lover, Daddy Ifeanyi. This kind news shock me when they talk say somebody go poison Daddy Ifeanyi as Daddy Ifeanyi good rich. Somebody still they find as they want take kill am. What they do on now? And this pastor they talk say the person wey go even poison am na im close friend na person wey they even follow and live for house na im go do this kind thing make na watch wetin this pastor talk.
I told you about one singer called Davido, abi? They will poison him. I don't know him. I've never seen him in my life. But they will put something inside his drink. He'll be rushed to the hospital. He'll be admitted. He'll be unconscious. I've been dealing with it in prayer, but the Lord said it will happen. And the person that will poison him is sleeping in his house.
I don't hear wetin this pastor talk. Say God revealed to am. He no even know who Davido be. Say God revealed to am. Say this person go poison am. Say even if they poison am finish, they go carry am go hospital. Say he no come no be the him go even dey alive, but they go hospitalize am for there. I can't dey wonder who this boy offend. And all of us know say Davido, he dey always carry people around am. OBO gang, 30 billion gang. Now so they go follow themselves, they walk up and down. He suppose think am even if he no believe this prophecy, make him walk towards am. And it's behind go pursue everybody. Halele, make them come up from your house. So I being go leave the house, go stay one place for a while. Make him take this thing serious because you know so all these celebrities now they feel they look saying maybe the pastor won't use and trend. But for pastor to talk him out, we don't know what we don't know. Maybe now God and I really show this man this thing. This one now where they don't tell you. In fact, you get high chance to take precautions because they don't already give you the information. Now it just remain for you. Be na church, you go to sleep, or be na okay, you go stay. Go there, do 10 days fasting and prayer. And no as you want to do. But you suppose go do something about this matter. And people they advise and say, make him avoid crowd. Into like people, make people they follow him up and down. Into like him. So he better make himself avoid all these kind of things. So that we no go come hear story. Because this the video, we too like you. We like your music, so we no go come here say one day something don't do it. We don't even want hear them. We even forbid this kind of news. We don't even want hear them at all. So just take precautions. Do the necessary things. I mean, maybe you go even go see this prophet. Make him follow it. Because all of us know say prophecy just be like dream. If God no mean, he no go show him. No be only Davido be celebrity, he for sure another person. So make and Davido self don't come out. This pastor don't talk. He self don't come outside. He talk say God will expose and deal with any wickedness around me, either near or far. I am blessed. That means maybe some things they go on around them, but you never to think I'm like that. But for him to come outside then, in fact, I dey very happy say he take this prophecy serious. It means saying they matured enough to know say anything will happen. God fish when person know they even be prophet said they show the person say and this one will happen to the person and something they happen. So talk less of say this one and a man of God. Come as I tell you this kind of news. I beg, brother, sit down for one place. All this move. Maybe now your family place, maybe go they sit down for. All these friends, and we know say most friends, people will go look say now your best friend, now then they do wicked pass. That's why go take say now be your flesh to your flesh, now be your bone to your bone. Now go they kill you for the inside. So as it be like this, Davido, I beg, take precautions so know as you go take the worker. Come all those friends, all those crowd, put them for one place, make yourself day your lane, then make you day prayerful to God, because we don't know what God if you want to do through this prophet for your life, make you day very prayerful. As this matter be, now here I go end them, anything way now feel, make a write down for the comment section. Then make another don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Hey, first the bad guy, where all of us know we sing, this is Nigeria. Look how we living now. Everybody not criminal. This man don't face our president. Don't face him because of waiting Buhari talk. And I go read waiting Buhari talk for now. He say, many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and loss of lives occurred during the Nigerian civil war. Those of us in the fields for 30 months who went through this war will treat them in the language they understand. I no can't even wait since when Buhari started to handle in Twitter account. Because that man, he be like, that man not to go school now. So I don't even know self say he sabi operate Twitter. But later I can't see video where this man using mouth talk this thing by himself, because I dey even feel say maybe na the person wey dey help am manage this account na him go write this thing, bia Buhari no fit talk am. But as e be like this, Buhari na him use him mouth talk this thing o. Make una watch this video.
Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? So whoever wanted diversion or destruction of the system at this point, I think will soon have their shock of their lives. I think those that are misbehaving, they were either too young, they didn't know what happened. But for those of us who went through all these things, we can't understand. So we will treat them in the language they understand.
But I don't see as Buhari face. In fact, this month, I never see president where they threaten in citizens. Say they go treat us. I still, this president, I no understand. But anyway, Falz don't give him the best reply. Falz self come talk say, what is this? Have you treated Boko Haram? Have you treated the kidnappers? Have you treated the bandits? And this thing are true. You know what Facebook, Boko Haram still dey there. They still they kidnap people, they still they kill people. Every day, unknown gunmen. You never face that one. Now, people where they protest in peace, now there your power don't come outside. Say, you won't come face them. You go treat them in the language where they understand. Which language we understand? Check here, they pain us like you. Yeah, they pain us now. We dey okay. We know what they fight for. People know what they fight for. If the country good, nobody will come outside, they complain about your matter. But people, they pain, people, they vex. Now, they come outside, they complain this kind of matter. But as it be, as far as give them, and they even fear for Falz, me, I don't come go kill this man. Because all of us know say Nigeria matter, you know they end for one place. You go talk this one now, after 24 hours, the person don't die. But as he be saying himself na celebrity, I sure say he go get them security, we go they guide them. But President Buhari, what did they do about this matter? This way for stock, you know lie. What did they do about this matter? Forget say, you not even suppose they threaten us. Now we vote for you, and as they vote for you, they feel comot you. You know what I'm saying? Nigeria self, with a fear. See person ordinary show where we go protest. Now they say they don't shoot them for leg. Talk less of say person when you even can't get it, they go just pack everybody like sardine, put them inside container, carry them, they go. Nobody go even hear about them again. They go just kill them. But first they fight, they fight for us. They fight for Nigerians. And in fact, Falz for president 2023. Because this guy they speak in mind. He know they fear anybody. Yeah, because him be lawyer. They always talk in mind. They give him as he see a pen him. Now so they talk him. Other celebrities, they sit down for their house, they need to do anything. But this guy, they bold enough. They always face, they always tackle things. But president, you're not supposed to talk this kind of thing. I beg you, Mr. President, you're not supposed to talk this kind of thing. Because this kind of matter where you even talk, now you go even make people vex the more. Why you go say you want treat them as waiting? People now goats. Work no day, school no day. People some people their classroom like this, now ground that they sit down on top. Rain go they fall, they go sit down on top of stone. You don't do anything. In fact, you suppose they focus on how you go to govern the country. Now, focus on what these protesters they talk about. How you want to solve them. Not be say you want to treat them. That means this whole protest will happen for Lekki where they kill. That means now you get plan for them. Now you do them. Now you run them. Because as they talk like this, that means anybody will still come outside now. Now another gunshot parade now will do for us again. But as it be like this, think about how you want to govern this our country, because everything on the scatter. Today, this one. Tomorrow, that one. You yourself, you know they tire. Me, Nigeria don't even tire me. You were the president. The country know they tire you. The country is supposed to even, in fact, make I not even talk, say you supposed to even go sit down because you don't old. Make young people come lead us. Make people see the difference. Your own self don't too much. People don't tire. But as it be like this, now here I go leave this matter because you know so this kind of Buhari matter, they know they too talk for long. Before person, now will come they target me, say, now me ginger. I no ginger anything, no. Now as the matter come, now so I bring them. As the talk come, now so I bring them for now. I no get anything about this Buhari case, so make I no come home you. Now here I go end this matter. Make I no forget to comment about this whole thing where they happen. And make I no forget so we're gonna give now hot story as they come. Make I no forget to like, share and subscribe as I go see una for our next story.